Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. And whatever day you're watching this video, I hope you're having a great day as well. I would like to wish all the mothers watching my video a happy Mother's Day, and I hope you all are having a wonderful time. This is the first week of this ad cycle and I have some really good deals I found. And the first deal will be on Genexa children's product. They're on the deal of buy one get $4 extra care box. Pick up one of the pain and fever acetaminophen, priced at $7.29. If you don't mind paying out of pocket and you have percentage of CRT, this will be a money maker. Without any percentage of CRT, pay the $7.29 and get $4 extra care box back. Then check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2. And after that $2, this product will become just $1.29. The next deal I have is on Crest toothpaste. They are part of the buy 3 get $5 extra care box and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 3 of the Crest Pro Health priced at $5.19. 3 of them are going to total $15.57. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that we all received on Sunday, and if you still have your $2 digital coupon, it's going to double dip. If you have a 3 off 12 oral care CRT added to this deal, that will drop it down to $5.57. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $2 back, limit of 1, and that will end up making this deal free and a $1.43 money maker. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back. This deal you can do it all digital, but you have to pick up one of the Perfect Blend pencil priced at $5.79. and one of the CoverGirl blush priced at $7.79. These two products will total $13.58. We have a $3 digital coupon for the face, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the eye pencil. We have the $4 mystery offer from last week. If you printed yours out, it's extended. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $3.58, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both items free and $1.42 money maker. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $8 extra care box on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencils. They are priced at $9.99 each. These two will total $19.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon for Revlon Color Stay Cosmetics, and we also have a $2.50 off digital coupon that will double dip with the 6 off 2. If you have the $4 mystery offer from last week, and that mystery offer works for both CoverGirl or Revlon, so you have to pick whichever one you want to do. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $7.49, and you get $8 extra care box, making both free and 51 cents money maker. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics, and this week it's on a tier deal of spend 15 get 5 or spend 20 get 7. With this type of tier deal, it doesn't track, you have to do it in one transaction. But I'll be doing the spend 15 get $5 extra care box. Pick up one of the Maybelline lipstick priced at $7.99 and pick up one of the Maybelline blush priced at $7.79. These two will total $15.78. We have a $3 digital coupon, and we also received a $3 mystery offer on Sunday. If you printed the $3 mystery offer we got last week out, it's extended. You can add it to this deal. I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The 3 CRTs and the coupon will drop it down to $3.78, and you get $5 extra care box back. And that will end up making these 2 products free and $1.22 money maker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $6 extra care box on Gillette and Venus disposable razors. Pick up one of the Venus razor, they're on sale for $6.99, and pick up one of the Gillette on sale for $6.99. Both will total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette. After the 2 coupons apply, it will drop it down to $7.98, and you get $6 extra care box, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Ajax dish soap. They are part of the buy two get $2 extra care box, and they on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up two, they are priced at $4.19. The second one will be $2.09. Two of them are going to total $6.28. I don't have any coupon for the Ajax dish soap, so pay the $6.28 and get $2 extra care box back, making both just $4.28 or $2.19 each. If you don't want to pick up the Ajax dish soap, you can pick up two of the Suavitel. They are priced at $3.59. The second one will be $1.80 because of the buy one get one half off. The two Suavitel will total $5.39 and you get $2 extra care box. And that will end up making both just $3.39 or $1.70 each. The next product I have is not giving back extra care box, but they're on sale for $6.49, and that's the got to be hair care. Pick up one, pay the $6.49, and submit your receipt to Shopkick for 750 cakes, which is equal to $3. That will end up making this product just $3.49. The next hair care deal I have will be on Aussie Hair Care. They are part of the buy two get $4 extra care box, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up two, they are priced at $5.19. The second one will be $2.60. Both will total $7.79. Pay that and get $4 back, making both just $3.79 or $1.90 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $6 back on any L'Oreal Elvive hair care, and it's a limit of one. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. They are priced at $5.99 each, and both will total $11.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.98, and you get $6 back, making both just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have will be on Dove Hair Care. They're on the deal of buy two get $5 extra care box, and it's a limit of one. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. They are priced at $5.19. Both will total $10.38. Use two of the $2 coupon we got in the 5/5 savings set, and that will take off $4 and drop it down to $6.38, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both just $1.38 or 69 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Suave Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. They are priced at $3.19. The second one will be $1.60. Both will total $4.79. We have a 75 cents off 2 digital coupon, and I know we also received a 2 off 2 coupon in 5/5 savings set. Pick whichever one you want to use. If you're just using the 75 cents coupon, it will drop it down to $4.04 and you get $2 back, making both just $2.04 or $1.02 each. The next two deals I'll share, I don't think they are the best, but if you plan on using the 15 off 60 hair care CRT that we all received, then you can also do this deal. But I'll first of all explain them by itself, then I'll now put together a hair care deal. Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner on the deal of buy two get $2 back, and it's a limit of one. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. They are priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98, and you get $2 back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The last hair care deal will be on Garnier Whole Blends. They're on the deal of buy two get $3 back, limit of one. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. They are priced at $6.29 each, and both will total $12.58. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.58, and you get $3 back, and that will make both just $6.58 or $3.29 each. If you plan on using the 15 off 60 hair care CRT that everybody received, and you want to follow the deals I just showed, all the hair care deals I showed would total $63.99, and after all the coupons apply, including the CRT, it will drop it down to $35.24. and you get back $25 in extra care box, that will end up making all these products just $10.24 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 extra care box. Pick up the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls. They're on sale for $10.79. And pick up the Scott paper towel 6 big rolls on sale for $5.99. And the last three items to add to this deal will be the Kleenex cube. Make sure you're picking up the soothing lotion because that's the one that is attaching to the Ibotta rebate. Pick up three. They're on sale for three for $6. All five items will total $22.78. We have a $digital coupon for the Scott, and we also have a $1 off 3 digital coupon for the Kleenex. It will drop it down to $20.78, and you get $5 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 30 cents back on each Kleenex cube. That will end up making these 5 items just $14.88 or $2.98 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 extra care box. Pick up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. Pick up the Tide Simply All-in-One 117 flow ounces on sale for $11.79. And the last item to add to this deal will be the 31 ounces Tide Simply All-in-One on sale for $2 for $8, but if you pick up one, it will cost just $4.79. These three products will total $30.07. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, $1 digital coupon for the Big Tide Simply, and 75 cents digital coupon for the Small Tide Simply. These three coupons will drop it down to $25.32, and you get $10 extra care box, making all three just $15.32 or $5.12 each. Last deal I have in this video will be on Bactin products, and they are part of the buy one get $5 extra care box. Pick up the Bactin Lidocaine dry spray priced at $11.79. If you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. But without any percentage of CRT, pay the $11.79, get $5 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3.74 back, and that will end up making it just $3.05. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support, and have a wonderful day.